Hello and welcome to this session. Have you wondered what would happen if you don't remove makeup and go to bed? This can lead to unhealthy skin due to clogged pores. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to list the tools and materials for the procedure of makeup removal and perform makeup removal on the client.
Let's now look at the tools and materials required for makeup removal procedure. You will need the following materials such as headband, cotton pad, sponge, vapor zone, petroleum jelly, towel, eye makeup remover, facial makeup remover, tissue, face cleanser, facial scrub, and moisturizer. Ensure that the makeup removal kit is clean and sanitized. The cotton pad and tissues must be fresh and clean. The bowl, towel, and headband must be properly washed and sanitized using an antiseptic solution. Ensure that they are dry before the procedure. Proper air circulation is required in order to dry properly. These materials must never be stored in a damp condition as it would develop molds. You must also wash your hands with soap and water before starting the makeup removal procedure. After washing, dry the hands with a clean towel. It is also advised to wear clean gloves during the makeup removal procedure. Makeup differs depending on occasions. Sometimes, makeup is done with the intent to last for a few hours, and it should be carefully removed after the event. Make the client sit comfortably on the makeup chair. Make sure you remove all the jewelry and clothing that cover the makeup. Collect the jewelry in a bowl or tray and keep it in a safe place visible to the client. Position the client. Then take the saloon gown and drape the client, leaving only the makeup removal area to be exposed. This is to protect the client's costume from cleansing products and water and also maintain the client's modesty. The procedure of makeup removal involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Tie the hair. Step 2. Remove eye makeup. Step 3. Steam the face. Step 4. Remove lip color. Step 5. Remove facial makeup. Step 6. Wash the face and pat dry. Step 7. Moisturize the face. Let's now look at each step in detail. Before starting makeup removal, tie the client's hair. You can use a headband or towel for this. This will prevent the hair from getting wet. You must first remove makeup from eyes such as eyeshadow, kajal, eyeliner and mascara using an eye makeup remover. Take the eye makeup remover and ask the client to close the eyes. Then apply it on the client's eye area, then leave it for 2 minutes. This will loosen the eye makeup as well as the adhesive that holds artificial eyelashes. Caution: use only eye makeup remover as regular makeup remover can bother the eyes. Then, use a cotton pad to gently remove the eye makeup. The eyes are delicate and they need extra care while removing the makeup. Do not use force while removing the makeup. Remember not to rush when removing makeup from the eyes. Cover the eyes with a cotton pad. Use a steam device such as vapor zone and place it towards the client's face. Using steam can open the pores that helps remove the dirt from the face. Apply petroleum jelly on the lips and keep it for 5 minutes. Use a cotton pad. Press on the lips and slide it off to remove the lip colors. Continue this step until the lip color is completely removed. Gently apply the makeup remover on the face. Using a moist cotton pad, remove the makeup using gentle upward movement. It is very important to remember that makeup should be removed by using the damp cotton wool pad in an upward motion against the skin. This not only removes the makeup thoroughly, but also prevents skin from sagging. Remember to avoid the eye area while removing the makeup. Apply a cleanser on the face and massage it in circular upward strokes. Make sure you remove all the leftover makeup. After this, rinse the face with warm water. You can also exfoliate the face with a facial scrub. After massaging the face with a scrub, rinse it off with a facial sponge dipped in warm water. Splash the face with cold water to close the pores. Or use a big piece of facial cotton pad dipped in ice water with rose water. Pat the face dry with a clean facial tissue. After this, apply facial lotion on the client's face with a cotton pad. This will restore essential nutrients to the skin. Once you have applied the lotion, pat dry the face with a facial tissue. Take a moisturizer suitable for the client's skin type and apply it on the client's face. Massage the face until the moisturizer gets absorbed. Follow this procedure correctly after every makeup in order to maintain a healthy and clear skin.
This brings us to the end of the session. In this session, we have learned the tools and materials required for makeup removal and the procedure of makeup removal. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next session.